ya mwanju murigere rwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV na bo bwansu bwo mu Gusii gena litko ndigendera ko bari toero kegima na nene no genderete kwego kya aso kubwatia emirobero yonse litko rero ekero bono rire litko rya Lamis tariki 14 cyumutienyi okianda umwaka w'ibwekiri Ibere na meronko Ibere na Isano namanga genderete gukorekana imeyense ya Kenya ekero bono twarorire amora iwense Dr. William Samuel Rutobere ka gukora obukorerwa ye service aso mwaka oyomo naburi tkoregoro nigo ababwatani aho babete bagusanga ebirengerere byabo hagati yabo bokoreri bwayo tokinga kici abeire ase ABC cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona mubasekero ngo kwariganya semeza Amayia eriongo manya ina kwariganire asenchera ereyo wenge nyora sensemo ya Facebook ni waratanyarwetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tunyarwetra Ndizi TV News na somutanda Twitter nabo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News eryo togendere gusanga nabo igo kwemanya manke Riane Everlyne Osero ngukwariganya obeko gusangana intwe goika omwerio tukoya chakabene kurwase county ya Kisii awase bunge ya Nyaribari masaba bono yabere gekonyora amoyo chiguni chimisano nemo yakubwatwa kurwase serikali ase rigorirense amoya yo nigabere gakwariganirwa no mugabe gose no MC wegodi ya Masimba boss Mairura oyobeire gakoteba nanigo abalemi barachikonyora amoya yo asoko bakonya gukinia oburemi bwabo nigo bono aberega kuboria baremi kogendera wesokya na kwerikia eriyo konyora amoyayo na monoko yatumeka asenchera ebwenerete eriyo babe bagokinya rigesa anene asebunkeyo ya Nyaribari masaba nigo bwoyo wo burachikogorwa ase chiringi chimibere na 50
otorega pokea obwoyo ojo zabantu baito ba Masimba ward Gusii ward kya Mukama Ichuni na Nyamasibi na onde bwenzi oraga nigoje kuoraga igase ediport wanyorenyi ya Nyaribari twakwantu mane bwenze aganja ngo twara obwoyo. I want to thank him ekiara engane yakore gento kieke abantu bamindo mwagati gake ono mambo iko sawa abantu baje buyu obwoyo na shilingi 2500 mundo tabazoko sababeza chinyingi erinde mwanda muzimeke tose yarigendo kieke encha what first kwenda achira epachi ntangani consignment ntangani ebwate $600 aina moya mange sana kusewa na abantu bamini ande ndo bwate promise na gakoera ayane na bakore ndo kieke paka ya top dressing na arongo sugumane na arakore ndo kieke ache ga Masimba ga abantu baito banyore mo genda nyansiongo bona mangana nyansiongo twasiekire amoyo tokonyora ase toiboire mbaro babwate message erikire na kwa nyote chibagi nye Gusii Ibere kulingana muna kwirigeti nande nimanyete nkubonda kinimanyete na soronga asioro muremi otageto boyo okoneri siringi ngapi 2500 ine process bikori bya abantu bo DM baburaira batabwa tigenda bate yabantu unakio boyo burabe ku muchanga gake ile tumagerike yameteke nganege no muchanga gesimegete gake hiyo ni porocho hiyo boyo boro bya abantu abagogete nande round wete mbigunde tyo muremi yo kwana ebire bya go sebano gake yeah, that is the truth mangane muchanga tayo maybe ina na ira bogere
engana yoro yose amasomo yoro iboro ase chiskuru yabetege weti wane na se chiskuru cyoboroso ase grade kya gatano na kabere ni yegenderete koreta omunso naboigo ebirengerero kurwase gati abananchi nigo egati abo barokanire bakoye kana bororo na otayona eyo nigera chikoreta oboturubaniye ase amasomo nanene koirera gose koirere mechando akwene wagati yabo amaritage nkyo ase abana abanyaruka gose boigo marito atanchiri.
Mambo ya sex education hiyo kwangu na kama na this is the stand of heaven also. Maybe I should make it clear. Hii ndio mtazamo na hii ndio msimamo wa mbinguni pia. Kwamba hii mambo ya swala la uzazi katika mashule hiyo ni jambo ambayo ni ya kuleta ushetani kwa watoto wetu. Mambo ya uzazi sisi wazazi tutafundisha watoto umri ukifika. An educationist, as a teacher, I say no to sex education. It is bad. Kwanza wewe huyu anakufundishia mtoto wako msichana sex education ni mwanaume ambaye ana morals. Atafundisha nini msichana yako? So let us not confuse the two and let us know kwamba what are we teaching our children. Sasa unajua mimi nimewahi kuwa mwalimu. Mimi ni mwalimu wa miaka nyingi, nimefundisha watu wengi. Na mambo ya kusema watoto wetu wafundishwe kuhusu elimu ya uzazi, hiyo sasa inawahusu nini? Vile watakuwa wazazi. Utafundisha aje mtoto wa class 7, class 4, class 5, class 8 unamfundisha nini kuhusu uzazi? Sisi wenye hatukufundishwa kuhusu uzazi hatujazaana. Ama sasa ukiwafundisha watazaana na njia mpya. Let us not confuse our children and confuse society.
Abantu batatu abo bakageire koba abasaria bobo ibi naboigo ababewa nigo baraswa nabo busabo burendi obutko bobokera rero ase ebunge ya Bonchari imeye county ya Kisii anene asensemo ya Konambaya nigo batatabo bagotebekana gutwara ebunduki aina ya AK47 asikorengana numo komanda abo banyanyimbo county ya Kisii Charles Kasesi abeiriga kwenekia egekorekyo nagoteba iyenko bwatikana nobutyo bubabere bagokora asegeka kiemetie Ibere bono magega yobosare wechingencho ao gati yabo boibi koenekiwa asensemeyo anigo batere na baberabo yani batatabo nigo babete bakororokana bare ase pigipigi goro ababwate ebunduke yo ekekero kya irerete bono barabwo koraswa nigo bigabirira koenekia buna nigo baragendere nobotuki na koenekia obosare wechingencho ao bwabeire bokoera anene ase county ya Kisii.
I can confirm to you that the incident really occurred at Soneka area at a place called Konambaya. This is an operation that we have been carrying out for the last 2 months since a robbery incident at Mora supermarket. So we have been trailing these criminals for the last 2 months, and fortunately yesterday at around 6 p.m. we were able to catch up with them at Konambaya, and as they tried to cock their weapon, this AK-47 rifle, we were able to shoot down 3 of them who were riding on a motorcycle, and they were coming from Migori side towards Kisii town. So from the intelligence that we had is that they were having a target within Kisii, Keumbu area, and through the intelligence that we had, we were able to find them, and they were fatally injured. So we believe these are the people or criminals who have been terrorizing locals in this region, Migori, Kisii, Nyamira counties. So I can confirm that that's a successful operation, and we are still carrying out that operation because we believe there are some who are still at large, and we are promising the locals that we are still carrying out the operation, and as a service we are committed to discharge our duties and as National Police Service to provide security to the people.
Ekiombe kia Independent Medical Legal Unit imlu nigo kia bwatukiro roboti kubwatikana numbaro bw'abantu abo babeire bagoitwa ikagokwa aso mwaka wa 2020 noyomo kurengana abo bwataniko ase ekiombe kyo nigo batere numubaro yo nigo genderete comment kana ase kerengo kia iguru kigima anene inse ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza yento bagikeire na otana nigo gusina kugania emirobere mekiranu kobekwa ero kwene kiabuna amagima y'abantu nkurendware na gutanga ogoitwa kw'abantu nigo bayenekire buna nigo barachikogendera gukora obutki kubwatikana nenganeyo.
The government's commitment to resolving all judgments and orders against it within a 60-day time frame is certainly commendable, such as the appointment of Court of Appeal judges and facilitating the return of Miguna. The disbandment of the Special Service Unit SSU marked a significant step in the right direction. The establishment of a task force on police and prison reforms under the capable leadership of retired Chief Justice David Maraga Emeritus represented a promising stride towards creating a dignified work environment for our law enforcement officers. Also, in a parallel move aimed at achieving financial independence for the National Police Service, the appointment of a principal administrative secretary, PAS, as the accounting officer was a pivotal step in the right direction. This appointment aimed to ensure that the police could operate autonomously, free from undue influence from the president's office.
Omowaziri bw'obosombi Kipchumba Murkomen nigaenekire buna eserikali negenderete n'emiroberio y'ogokinia obosombi wetera senchera yembeo nigateire buna eyene chikokonya ase okwororobia obosombi na kwenekia buna keroyomo obeire kagwika sensemende ase obwororo kigima aya nechinga kichogo chakiwa okwobosombi wetera senchera yembeo ane na ase county ya Homa Bay na boigo county ya Migori.
Fully committed to implementing a string of measures aimed at boosting the aviation sector and cementing Kenya's position as a regional aviation hub. Our focus lies on expanding the and rehabilitating fiscal infrastructure and crafting a modern air transport policies and regulation, enhancing safety measures, building capacity, and strengthening the institutions that oversee the sector. Some of these measures include funding, where we have allocated approximately 1 billion shillings annually for the expansion of the development of airstrips to enhance connectivity.
I want to commend the Kenyan community because the recovery since we were hit by COVID and we had to close all airports for a while, the recovery on the local domestic flights is at 127%. So that means something was triggered by COVID. And people have decided they are not going to save too much money. They are going to use their money to fly so that they can enjoy their facilities.
I remember for many years that traveling from Migori to Nairobi used to take us 12 hours. But even in recent time, for one to get from Migori to Nairobi, we have to fly to Kisumu. By the time somebody is driving straight, they are halfway through. I'm glad this time is going to open up Migori, a land of potential, and there are many potentials there.
I can say is that welcome to Migori, the land of a lot of opportunities and a lot of diversity. If you are looking for tourism, we have it all. Agribusiness, we have it. Culture, we have it.
Magega yekigambira kenene ya Supreme wanchera oweti wa kweri chiko lyo wanchera abantu kweri kyase byombe au ebyo birense ya LGBTQ gose obwanchani gatia basabati sabasacha bono nige birengera libigenderete ko bwato kwako rwase gati y'abananchi omochumbe wensemo ya Homa Bay Peter Kaluma nigaberega komochia egetambukire kyo nadana eyo nenchera egosiria gose kinege tambukiro kego siria aba Kenya aseba kandire na kwenye kigambiro koirana magega na kurigereria ngane yo asobwikiranu na kurigereria na mechando kiera chikonyorekana ekerobono omurubiro yobeire ko wanchire mense ya Kenya.
On 24th February 2023, the Supreme Court of Kenya delivered a judgment by which the court ordered the registration of homosexual associations in the country. By that decision, the court also purported to amend Article 27, Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution, and in so doing declared that sex, as used under that provision, includes sexual orientation. The decision of the Supreme Court was met with huge public uproar across the country and all sections of our society, and of course across Africa and the world. On 9th March 2023, therefore, I, acting in public interest, lodged an application before the Supreme Court asking the court to review and set aside the bad judgment. In the application, I challenged the power of the courts to amend the Constitution to introduce foreign homosexual ideologies into the country. I also challenged the court to reconsider the meaning of the word sex as used by Kenyans during constitution making to mean the biological state of being male or female observed as at birth, and to reverse its decision determining that sex included
Abakenya korwa Chinsa ao nigo bagenderete kwiyarigania bose kwembure nyinke yo manyekanite buna El Nino eliyo kageire gotwase Chinsa ao emergency ya Kenya niga abantu bamenyete Chinsa chimokerete igoro nabo igo chiria chikageire gotago kaimeye county ya Nandi babere bakuburirwa kunganya chingaki embure yubono ekageire gochaka gotwase nsemiyo mugabana we county ya Nandi Stephen Sang nigo abaganirie abantabo kugereria gose kuri ya Chinsa chingao asbara bakunganya gochia eriwe tanga korwase emechando eyo erabege koretwa kubwatkana nimbureyo.
So we are giving an alert to everybody in Nandi County, especially on those areas that we had agreed that we need to avoid. And we are asking them, can you be on high alert? Can you keep off those areas so that we do not have some of the areas landslide ikifanyika isiweze kutuumiza. And this is a program that we have been going on with the national government, also trying to identify. And we want to tell national government, can you expedite the process that we agreed, that you look for alternative land so that we can be able to get all those people living on those fragile mudslide area, prone areas. We can get them out of those places and give them alternative.
Abarubi bechinswe batatu abokonya batangire sense ya Buganda bakoro imense ya Kenya kubwatkana n'uburubyo bebwe chinsu ase enyancha ya Victoria nigo mwerio ye babere bakobwatokwa kurengana na Kipchumba Ruto oyoromo commissioner obusia nigo kubwatoko kwabo kogocha magigaye chingwana cyoko iwana gokorekana gati ya Kenya na boigo Uganda asatero na batatabo nigo babwatetwe omotienyi ogatano omwaka w'Ibere na 2020 nayomo ekerabono abarubi baburiwe kwene kyabona ngo babare maiso chingaki cy'oburubi bwabo nakobokora asenchera ebwenerete.
Today we are here at Gusii, Kenya to hand over the 3 prisoners that have been in our custody since May 2021. We've been having bilateral relations meeting due to security concerns between the 2 neighboring countries, Kenya and Uganda, and we agreed that these prisoners be released unconditionally.
Mimi mwenyewe kwa nafasi yangu niliandika memorandum na ilikuwa kati ya vijana wetu watatu waliokuwa Bugiri. Leo hii ninaona matunda na ninaona ushirikiano mzuri. Jambo lingine ambalo nataka niseme ni ya kwamba kwa wavuvi wenzangu ambao ninaongoza tuzingatie sheria tuendelee nayo.
Mwancho muri bana roboti oruna rogotoreta omwerio bwa Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchera ereyo bwenge kurene na mange togenderete gukwariganiria ayuna nde nacho kumanya senchera yo bwenge chikoraga Chinsa 10 gendera kubwate mirobiri yonsi ya Ndizi TV na wo bwansu bwo Gusii asensemo ya Facebook tonyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter @Ndizi TV News ero togendere gusanga nabo igo kwemanya amanke Abigail Nyanchama nero eneke achipicha nerio gichago ikeire nabo igasense moye imenyerero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta eri tariane Everlyne Osero twarubulire riboro bya nabo igo omubasoro motoyereru.